Ever wondered about the history of Rostec, the company behind VCDS? Nestled in Lansdale, Pennsylvania, Rostec is the mastermind behind the diagnostic software for VW Audi Group cars. Their services range from interface upgrades to software downloads and support. Let's dive into the intriguing history of this company. Rostec, LLC was not born in a day. It was the culmination of vision, grit, and a deep understanding of a niche market. The founders saw a void in the market for diagnostic software for VW Audi Group cars. This vision didn't materialize overnight. It took years of hard work, careful planning, and a relentless pursuit of innovation. The early years were a struggle, with each day presenting new challenges. But the team was determined to create something unique, something that could make a difference in the automotive world. And thus, Rostec was born, ready to revolutionize the automotive world. As with any great company, Rostec evolved over time. It was not just about providing diagnostic software, it was about revolutionizing the entire automotive industry. The introduction of VCDS was a game changer, a software that transcended boundaries, simplifying the complex world of car diagnostics. Then came the creation of HexNet and HexV2, further cementing Rostec's position as a pioneer in innovation. The company has hit numerous milestones, consistently pushing the envelope in terms of technology and service. Rostec, through its relentless pursuit of excellence, became a leading name in automotive diagnostic software. Today, Rostec stands tall in the automotive world. With its headquarters nestled in Lansdale, Pennsylvania, it has become a global force, providing diagnostic software for the VW Audi Group cars. Their commitment to quality is evident in their array of products and services, from interface upgrades to software downloads. And it's not just about English. They've expanded their reach with VCDS available in multiple languages, catering to a global clientele. Rostec also values its team, observing holidays like Thanksgiving, ensuring a work-life balance in the pursuit of excellence. Rostec, a name synonymous with quality and innovation, continues to drive the future of automotive diagnostics. So what have we learned about Rostec? From its humble beginnings, Rostec has grown into a leading provider of diagnostic software for VW Audi Group cars. Their commitment to quality and innovation is evident in their products and services. And that's the history of Rostec, a company that continues to shape the automotive world with its innovative diagnostic solutions.